Object-oriented programming is a way of writing computer programs that revolves around using objects to handle and work with information. In OOP, information is wrapped up in objects, and these objects have specific qualities, like features or characteristics, and things they can do, like actions or functions. OOP comes with important ideas that help programmers create code that's organized, easy to reuse, and simple to manage. Let's discuss about few of OOP's concepts. 1. Class. 2. Object. 3. Encapsulation. 4. Inheritance. 5. Polymorphism. 6. Abstraction. Class. A class is a blueprint or a template that defines the properties and behaviors common to all objects of a certain kind. It serves as a template for creating objects. Example. Here the class name is demo and it consists of two variables declared n. One method, which needs implementation. Object. An object is an instance of a class. It represents a real-world entity and encapsulates the data and methods defined in the class. Example. Look at the example carefully. Here demo is the class name and we are creating its reference or object as myObject. Here the new keyword is the major thing we need to use before class name and after equals. Rest of the topics we will discuss in upcoming videos. See you again. Thank you.